Box cover, this is DuttyBerry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. Oh, I totally forgot. This commences my week, my 5 video a week summer series. On Monday I get a social media countdown, Tuesday you don't get no video. On Wednesday it is a skit, on Thursday it is a story time, on Friday it is a challenge video, and on Saturday it is a do road with Dutty, Sunday my rest. So look out for it, my TheDuttyBerryShow special, 5 videos a week. Number 10, Barbara versus Pamputtae. So about last year or so, this video with a lady called Barbara surfaced. And yeah, people started talking about them straight nose and kissable lips after that.
Straight nose, dreamy and kissable lips. Have a unique body.
So after the video that will go viral, no one the thing kinda calmed down. I guess Barbara's name kinda resurfaced when Pamputtae did this video with her, talking about cashback.
Clap, Barbara, I'm gonna give you money make you buy back something.
God bless you and keep you, Jesus Christ, who put it there. Thank you, miss. Me never want 100 chicken back and piece of card.
Box cover! You see, right after that, people, Barbara just went viral. And then, at some point in time, I guess Pamputtae must take her doing all of this, take her on as our manager, and start for kind of do road with her and do local promotions with her.
Tour, slimmy, fatty, all size, all about weed. Take a good look in the shop.
But to box foot, as them say, all good things must come to an end, because Barbara soon after took to online to go and done Pamputtae about a particular microwave that she forget and don't get all I know.
Go on, you not talk about the microwave. She said come out her phone. She don't know which store to go collect it. Me don't know what really go on. Trust me. I be a girl she go around me and I come around like me I play ring and rosy. And no, me not get nothing from my brother. People are saying, what about the microwave? Where? Me don't forget. And the people them call you and tell us to go call it up at the store. You tell me over the phone.
Oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. And during the whole of this, Pamputtae, they're fine and a torrid spice, and I guess feel like she never wants to say nothing. To turtleneck, Jesus Pim. Just when you think that the coast is clear, here comes superhero half mixed up to the rescue, Mr. Footah Hype.
Barbara, you're wicked. Where the fish that is there? When you're there, no name, nothing at all. You didn't even get 2 weeks out of hype yet, but you're hype and Pamputtae. I saw the real plan to live.
Oh my God, so as you know people, Barbara wasn't going to take that sitting down.
Nasty Footah Hype. You can't class me. You never enter my dojo yet. Your mouth big no. A while ago me I look upon you. Your mouth big and fair when you call them I give birth over a river tan.
During all of these people, Pamputtae still there firing, I guess I mind her own business and started doing some very shady pictures online. Really? Really, Pamputtae? You're gonna stay up firing and pose in microwave just because? But what do you say, people? Are you Team Pamputtae or Team Barbara? Comment below. Number 9, they drop off. Me gungo peas. People, you just are know. I just absolutely adore. Me love see a good drop. Oh my gosh, I know where is a good place I can get to see a good trailer load of drops? Into a dancehall party. So today, I have 2 videos for you. And we want you to decide which had the most epic and entertaining fall. So here goes contestant number 1. And here goes contestant number 2. So who you think the winner was, Burritos? This or that? Just comment down below. Number 8, Vershon's Vershon. Oh my God, I do not know what kind of crosses are going with Vershon from what day, but the reggae singer has just been getting into a lot of hot water lately. First up, it was the feud with him and Jamil.
Choose blonde, them no know about the streets, them too young. Less man a teach them, can't learn them too dumb.
Oh, you feel war with the quiver when the wild man not take beat up.
Yeah, me not really to get why the 2 conscious artists them did a feud in the first place. And they know him have drama with him baby mother and one jacket. Yeah, 2 totally unrelated stories, so yeah. Apparently there's some custody battle going on with Vershon and him first pitney baby mother. Yeah, the mother of him first pitney, because the 2 of them want rights to the child and know it before the court. And then now to the jacket drama is that, you know, upon Nightly Fix, boy, they show that them call the fix now. Every time somebody go there, some drama will start. Why? So anyway, Vershon wore the Confederate, a jacket with the Confederate flag on it, and the users them took to him Instagram account and I cuss him off, I call him too dumb. That was the name given to him by Jamil. That's a lesson. Big up yourself, youth. Number 7, the Princemarni break up. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay. Oh my god, I guess we did not hard box foot see this one coming. So Susan's alter ego Princemarni. Well, that don't make no sense. And the girl that can't whine in a joining up, Inhalemee. Send fans into a frenzy after some little odd postings online, which would suggest that they are no longer a couple. As well as this picture that she re-edited the caption that originally said Daddy and Zaddy, and now she put X internet sensation. Wow. So let me know what you think, people. Do you think this is for real or it is just some prank that they are doing for the gram? Because it's going to be hella awkward because both of them managed by the same person. Number 6, Selector KUNK. Yow, yow, yow. Why can't we all just get along? So when they had this selector, they are fine, I guess, and him the on stage I work it when somebody run at the back, I do not know if this is another selector, decided say him going to make the person know that he her does not her like him.
You mean say you come from New York and you come all the way in Germany. Then you book me on Panifeed. For the first time, you didn't say nothing to it. You act like it's an enemy thing. This is a juggling for
Oh gosh, somebody in please.
enemy thing. This is a juggling fucking dance. This is not
See it, you know?
envy, but you don't like me?
Box cover! The one that lick down the walls, them a Jericho. No man, people, I don't make just start with anybody when I have disagreement with. Are you near my food out of the fridge? Are you thief my credit down? Hang up. And now check out the random video of the week.
I get a girl about the wickedness slam. The kind of girl who don't feel about she man. Man, if you want to get the medal.
Hey guys, you don't know, so it's a girl Shensia and you're watching Dirty Berry social media countdown. Keep it locked. Shensia. Jiggle jiggle my body, yeah, jiggle jiggle.
Number 5, matey update. Me turkey neck, what kind of carelessness are going in the newspaper? People, this brother here, I guess, in passed away some time ago, and now a year or so must come back round, and so the family decides that them go and put a little tribute film into the paper. So the wife, the original, took to the paper and left this in there. Sadly missed by wife Ivy, children, sister, other relatives and friends. But to that foot, underneath that her post was the said picture of the said face of the said man. Not by the wife this time, but by somebody who chose to call herself Dear Friend Paulette. I just bet you said the wife
Never see you coming.
but the
Next thing you know,
Dear Friend Paulette took the space and the fair post. No man, people fight for less than this. Boy, oh boy, the brother the underground and still a run road.
Wife for wife, mate for mate.
Number 4, Chronixx fling. Boy, oh boy, I just love this video because it shows a side to Chronixx where most people don't really see. People, after that, Chronixx is officially indicted, or is it supposed to be inducted? As one of the ravers them. The video, shell. Number 3, Curvy Diva and Rob dating? No, the box cover, what is this? I go on underneath my eye, I never know it. You mean to tell me say that Yanique, Curvy Diva and Rob Kardashian is hard dating? Yes sir! Well, that is what they've been saying according to Media Takeout. Media Takeout is reporting that last year when Rob and Chyna did come down to Jamaica for Brick Jam, where Curvy Diva did a host, said Rob must go meet her, this Instagram model, and them start fair talk and conversate, and all of a sudden them fall in love, and now Rob and Curvy Diva is now lovers. Yes, to be at foot. So Yanique, if you're Rob there, what you still do at Jamaica? How come you not see upon keeping up with the Kardashians? What go on? The next season you go come on? I want to see upon Love and Hip Hop. I want to see upon Real Housewives of Atlanta. But here's what I believe. This is just one entire lie. False news. Next. And now it is time for the big up segment. So first up, I have to say big up to the Jamaica College graduates on this very creative performance of Chronixx's Do It For The Love. Also, I have to say big up to dancehall queen Cuban and being a part of the Heist and Wine tour with Charlie Blacks. Yo. And yes, I forgot big up Mr. Yo and Lee on being the first Jamaican to pursue a master's in journalism, media and globalization as part of his Erasmus Mundus Semanticus, whatever, oh gosh, scholarship. I can't remember. Erasmus Mundus scholarship. And yes, people, I cannot forget to tell you this. I have to say big up to the entire Science Genius Jamaica team and putting on such an awesome program, bringing it to Jamaica. Big up Mr. Dr. M. Din, make sure I get the name right. Basically, people, is that they have brought something called Hip Hop Head to Jamaica, where they teach kids, students, how to use dancehall to better learn science. And people, when I like, just pre some of the things that the kids them come up with.
Don't laugh, it's not a joke. One heap of people can never know this. You ever have water through crystals in a it? What that happen? Osmosis.
And to prove to the world that our culture is intelligent, it's brilliant. So I want y'all to say after me, I am brilliant.
Back cover. Smell sweet. What's going on? Give me some signal right now.
Remember say next social media come over with there, Curvy Diva, alright. Remember I think go. Alright. Big up yourself, Curvy Diva. Big up Jamaica.
Oh, and big up Chevanese too. Woo! And the whole JN team. Yeah, I'm gonna big up Kevin Music on his remix of the Wild Thoughts instrumental. Number 2, baby cuss. So this little pitney and this older woman got into some sort of argument and look.
Tell me stop stress out the people there, man. You must quarrel with them bigger than you. You're the littlest one.
No, shh. Listen, people, you can't hear what I say?
Mine what? Shut him out, man. Chat too much. Chat too much.
And him now back down, you know?
Not a thing about you. I don't hear neither. You make water come on me eye.
No man. I put a hype and matter on this when them did liquor. A joke.
You're not on a baby, you know? How are you to go kick me? If you ever kick me, say boy, I'll box it to you.
No man, what kind of gibberish him attack? When you're a baby and a gibberish. A gerber. Then just watch how he reacts differently once him hear him father voice.
Come.
Joshua. Yeah? Joshua. Tell him say you have to stop cuss now. Stop it. Stop.
You must stop it.
Joshua.
Me say you have to stop it.
Joshua, stop. Stop here? Yeah, man.
I swear, kids, them say the darnest things. And number 1 goes to the Fluffy Fall box cover. So this take it the cake and every single icing. So I guess a little fun day I go on and them decide so them going to have a little fluffy girl dance competition on the stage. 3 women up there, but the fluffiest, the one with the biggest engine, she was her doing the most. All of the 361. No, it's a fidget spinner. And me alone find it funny, so when woman hear dancehall, it's like them just know in them soul, say a time for them bend over. So the fluffers pray that her need to win this dancehall contest and decide to unleash our secret hideaway Renee 630 skin out move.
Slim girl, better you can do this.
What a good thing so the Sun City tent did there for catch her up. After that big embarrassment and drop down, I can only hope that she did win the contest. Well, that's it, peeps. Thanks so much for watching another Dirty Berry Top 10 social media countdown. Remember, if you enjoyed the video, please hit like, hit like, hit like. Right after you done hit like, hit subscribe, subscribe. Yes, then you can't forget to comment. When you done watch, what you have to do, comment. Or if you want to contact me on social media, it is at DuttyBerryShow on Snapchat, on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, all over. It is at DuttyBerryShow. If you want to email me, book me, or promotion in the countdown, it is DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Alright, take care until next time.